Let's go.
Freedom. Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite wig influencer, Vageline here. Today we are going to be showcasing Miss Throw It On and Go. If you are new to my channel, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. That means we put on synthetic wigs and have fun with it, okay? If you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, come on, let's just go ahead and get into this video so I can give you all the sneaky deaky detail on who's that girl. All right, come on, let's go. So let's go ahead and get into who's that girl. Now I got this wig from Outre, and she is from the Wigpop Collection. Her name is Dessy, and I got her in the color Chocolate Swirl. Now Dessy's stock card doesn't really say much of anything. This is what she is giving. Hold up. All right, this is what she's giving on the stock card. And the back simply has the different colors that she comes in, which she's actually available in a 11B2, 613 chocolate swirl, ginger brown, a DR copper orange, DR2 golden amber, DR2 cinnamon wine, and DR4 tiramisu. Those are the colors that she is available in. The back says switch it up with Wigpop. Variety of trendy colors and ready to wear styles. You can find the perfect wig to fit your mood and then switch it up for another one. Self-expression has never been so easy. Now, Miss Dessy is a synthetic full wig. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees, and she does not come with no lace. She is a ready to go type of wig. Now, when I first put her on, and I'll try to put a clip on what she was giving, she was giving set it off, ready to rob a bank type of look. I'm trying to tell you, the humps and lumps in this baby was crazy. She was definitely not a put on and go wig. So I went ahead and slicked her down with some of my bead head, whatever this is, bead head stick. I slicked her down with that, took the flat iron, put a little bit of concealer in the middle because I was afraid to pull out hair and it would look weird. I don't know. I did a couple I did one little swoopity swoop and some sideburns, and that is pretty much it for Miss Dessy. Does she shed? No, she does not. Does she tangle? I didn't get any tangle when I finger combed her out. I didn't even comb her, so I didn't get any tangles. Is she big head friendly? She's comfortable. She's comfortable. I don't feel like I'm gonna have a headache at the end of the night or anything like that with her on. She is a really cute everyday wig. Just gonna have to finesse her a little bit. That's it. You're just gonna have to finesse her a little bit, because Outre baby with this one, that put it on and just go. Come on, man. It was a cold blue there for a minute. I was like, stat, cold blue. Somebody come in here and help me out, because she was looking very wiggy. But I think I got her looking decent. Now, the only thing I would say from me, besides the hump on top, that might be a con, is the front of the wig here. See that right there? Like, this is what full cap means. Like, this part it's annoying a little bit, and it will probably give me a little indentation, as you can see here. But other than that, she's pretty cute. Her curls are nice. The color on her is beautiful. Outre, that's one thing I can tell you, baby, that you really know how to do, is the blending of the colors, because she has highlights of light brown as well as dark brown and maybe a little bit of red in her. I don't know. This chocolate swirl is giving chocolate swirlish, you know what I mean? Like, she's cute for everyday wig. Okay, would I buy her again? I'm gonna say yes. She is actually a really good everyday wig. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Like, if you're going anywhere to grocery store, school, work, like, when I say everyday wig, you can literally wear her every day, all the time. And if you wanted to switch it up, you can get different colors. She was under $25, and I didn't pay shipping because I bought other wigs. Don't judge me, it is what it is. I'm a wig influencer for a reason, folks. Okay. Yeah, so she's an everyday wig, and she is very affordable. She is on a cheap end of wigs. And like I said, throw it on and go if you finesse her the way you want to finesse her, and you have a good looking wig. Like, she's adorable. So anyway, that's all I have on Miss. That's all I have on Miss Wigpop, Miss Dessy. Let me know in the comments below if you're feeling her. I'm feeling her. I think she's really nice. Like, she's gonna be another one of my mom wigs, because I like this. You know what I'm saying? PTA meetings. Yes. Yes, Miss Dessy is it. All right, guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so every time I upload a little cutie patootie like this one, a little everyday wear like this one, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.